Hi everyone, my name is Garvita and today I'm going to show you how to plant a pineapple. So let's get started. You have to take a pineapple and twist the top leaves. Now we have to take the smallest leaves in the bottom out. I have taken this many leaves out so that the roots can grow. Now I'm going to put it in a glass of water. It has been a week. The roots are starting to form. Now I'm going to plant it in my balcony. First, I'm digging a hole. Now I'm going to put it in the hole. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe and hit the like button.